Hello friends, Namaskar dosto. I'm Shanando Das. You can call me SD. I'm associated with Elan Markets with their flagship program, trading mentorship program. Let me show it to you. And I have more than 13 years of experience with the global markets, different asset class, currency, commodity, crypto, ETF, equities, indices, etc. So in my master class that is here, I usually cover one topic, that is crisis trading, where we anticipate an upcoming crisis. When I talk about crisis, largely I'm talking about mega crisis like COVID-19 or like 2008-9 mortgage bubble crash in the United States, which also created a crash in the Indian market. ये जो लर्न टू मैक्रो सीरीज है, आई यूजुअली पब्लिश इट फॉर द members जो SD members है उनके लिए, but in this one I think this is very important for all of you to know during this cycle, क्योंकि as per history we are in a recessionary cycle, though exact end point हम लोग पहुंचे नहीं है as per my signal. But we are, as per history, we are in a recessionary cycle, and we are currently in the first phase of the cycle, which is euphoria phase, where the market goes up. That means in the second phase that is coming up is a major market crash, and similar to COVID-19 or similar to 2008-9. But every time, yaad rakhega, this similar word, this is not same every time crisis is same, different, but the structure is similar. Crisis may be different, but hum logo ko structure pata hai, to structure is different. So mere setup, structure is same. The reasons are not same, but similar. That means history jo hai, that rhymes does not repeat. तो ये जो जनरल मॉडल है वो मॉडल मैं अपने मास्टर क्लास में डिस्कस करता हूं, बट बियॉन्ड दैट मॉडल there are many different ways to predict an upcoming downturn in the market. And in this regard मैं जो इंडिकेटर के बारे में बात करने वाला हूं, that was developed by Claudia Sam, जिसका फोटो आप देख सकते हैं. Claudia Sam is currently working in the private sector. She has moved to, but before moving to private sector, she was associated with US Federal Reserve as with their governing board, with the economist group. So she is very qualified and one of the top respected economists. Claudia Sam is more renowned. उनका नाम जाने जाते हैं. She developed the SAM rule. SAM rule helps us to know a major downturn or a recession in the market slightly ahead of it happening, or right, it just about to happen. उस time पे this particular indicator developed by Claudia Sam can help us. It is not a complicated indicator. It is based on US unemployment rate, historically based on back testing. She has found that whenever the unemployment rate has gone up by 0.5% compared to its bottom in the last 12 months, US is entered a recession or about to enter a recession. Now, why US recession is important and we are investing in India? Because every time, if you go by the history, every time US faced a recession, there has been a major market crash. And the major market crash, it got spread across the globe, means our Nifty 50 and means Indian stocks will also not be spared during this kind of cyclical downturn. तो इस मामले में where to find the data जो मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूं, that is enmacromicro.me. This is my favorite macroeconomic website. उनके वेबसाइट में this SAM rule recession indicator is available. If you do not have access to this enmacromicro, which I think you can easily get access to if you are my student by a 67% discount, Even if you don't get a discount, it's an awesome website, worth every bit of piece and information they give out. They're awesome. So let's, I'm not sure if I'll find it here. Let's search SAM, real-time SAM rule recession indicator. This is available in Federal Reserve economic dashboard. This is Federal Reserve का जो different Federal Reserve है, उनमें से एक Federal Reserve का, this is economic dashboard of St. Louis का Federal Reserve. Currently जो rate है उसको हम लोग देखेंगे. Current rate is around 0.43. We are in the June and July context. So last one, as per the rule, every time the unemployment rate ka gap between the last 12 month ka bottom and the current rate, whenever it is above 0.5%, US has either entered a recession or about to enter a recession. Not 0.5%, but once again, I'll repeat, from the bottom it made in the previous 12 months. So June 2024 means we'll have to go back to June 2023. That is June 2023, 0.07. On July is 0.10. That means if this rate goes towards July 0.6, then the SAM rule will start satisfying. That means we will be about to enter a recession. And recession जब आ रहा है, generally हम लोग क्या करेंगे, risky assets जो है उसको square off करने का, मतलब उसको थोड़ा cash में लेके जाने का सोचेंगे. And what are risky assets? Equities are risky assets. Cryptocurrencies are risky assets. So equities means cash equities, SIP, mutual funds. So these will have enormous risk if the recession is hit. Recession के साथ significant downturn होता है. So as per, this is a little bit of a lagging indicator, but definitely being a lagging, it is still will be leading the recession. मतलब early onset of the recession हमें पता चल जाएगा. Those who are interested in more learning about recessions and how it can influence your portfolio, you want to learn about portfolio allocation, you can definitely contact Elon Markets and get connected with me. You can join with me via my masterclass and learn more about these recessions and how you can, as a model, how you can benefit from it. So that's all, friends. I hope you enjoyed this macro indicator. To summarize, we have learned a method to understand the onset or about to come, as aane wala hai ya just start ho raha hai, a very important cyclical downturns like COVID-19, like 2008-9 mortgage bubble, 2001 dot-com bubble. Every time before the crisis, you can see this indicator ticks up. This indicator is based on unemployment rate. If you are interested, this indicator, start of a recession when the 3-month average of the national employment rise by 0.5 percentage points, or matlab U3 unemployment rate more relative to the minimum of the 3-month average from the previous 12 months. Matlab last 12, this is the 3-month average. So last 12 months ka bottom we have learned 0.10. So it is close by, not exactly 0.6 if it hits in July. That means we will be close to an onset of a recession. But this indicator can go up, so previously, but we have to wait exactly for the data to validate कि 0.6 level reach होगा, then only as per SAM rule, Claudia SAM का create किया हुआ, we will be close to, or we will be starting with the onset of a recession. So during this recession, we get major downturn in stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, cash equities, indices. So it will not be a good idea to hold on and become investor into your long stock, long cash for long stock portfolio. Rather, you abide by the rule and then move into cash. And when the times are ripe again, you can come back and start investing aggressively once the market bottoms out. और ये हमारे रूल के हिसाब से we can easily learn about market bottom. If you're interested, definitely connect with me. All the best to you and your trading from my side. And as always, happy trading.